Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make money online from Venezuela. So let's get started. So as you can see here, Venezuela has a thousand number of people and that can make money online. So the best way to make money online without any investment and without any capital is through freelancing. So the best website for the freelancing from our side is Fiverr. So Fiverr is a marketplace where we can sell anything to the business owners and to the potential buyers. Okay, so what to sell on Fiverr? So you can sell social media services. Okay, like you can be social media manager, do writing content, editing and proofreading contents, and providing the user testing experience and feedback, and produce the YouTube intro, promo, ads and slideshow, and converting the YouTube video into audios, and converting the PDF into text in voice, and many other things that you can do it. So Fiverr is a very creative platform that you can sell your skills. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.